Alright, y'all, so I am headed out to the Sentra. So somewhat of bad news, you guys, so you'll see soon. But getting rid of the Sentra. Guy is coming to buy it from me, a guy who buys junk cars. So I'll add in some pictures too toward the end of the reason why that the Sentra project is, at least with this one, is officially dead. It's called Little Red Riding Hood, or Little Red Non-Riding Hood. So I had this car for like a year, and I finally was able to look underneath of it, and it's just all bad. It's not even worth fixing the car up or trying to restore the car. It's like really rusted bad, and then there's like pieces missing, stuff is flaked off. So I'm sad that, you know, the car has to go. I was really hoping to get this project done here, you know, get this project done soon and get it running, and or get it, you know, able to drive. It runs, but able to, you know, actually stay on when it goes in gear and everything, and then start getting the body work that you see done. But I never looked underneath of the car, which I should have did. But you guys will see soon. I'm gonna show you guys when we get there in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down. Probably gonna cry after it leaves, but just time to move on to something else. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I don't know if y'all can see. It's kind of blurry. Let me see. All right, y'all, so there's the car. It's about to go on the trailer. I was doing a vlog on this thing. It was supposed to be my project, but yeah, so yeah, this is the guy that's getting it, so so that has to be the last time we see the Sentra. It's going bye-bye. Dang. Empty spot. Y'all, it's about to be going. I really want to cry right about now. Sad to see it go. Yep, she's leaving though, y'all. Last Little Red Riding Hood. Not so much riding.
toothbrush.
I hate those daggone things. I got the little lights on the back, the little towing lights on the back, y'all. Muffy in there going crazy.
This place used to be, remember?
I'm not sure. I know it's getting big. I know they've been.
Place over there in Long Neck.
Oh, okay. I think I know what you're talking about. Yep.
Yeah, boy, that's Highway Rock.
Okay, they should be able to get by. Okay. Alright, y'all, so that's the Sentra. It's leaving. Y'all, there it goes. She's about to leave. The last time we see her. Damn, there she goes. Damn. I see it leaving. Man, you see they got the empty spot now. There she goes. Damn. I'm gonna cry when I get around the corner, y'all. This is empty now. Beside the dead bush, it's just empty. Yeah, so y'all, I'll talk to y'all when I get back to my office. I'm gonna cry on the way. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it really just sucks that I didn't get it done. I feel like I kind of let myself down a little bit in a way, but there was nothing that I could do. There was nothing that could be done. I took the pictures underneath without looking at them. I didn't look at them for a while because I was scared of what I was gonna find under there, and then I finally looked at the pictures the other day, and what I saw, you know, I was like, oh my god, you guys will see the picture. It's bad. It was beyond savable. And then I never looked under there like when I bought it, because you know I paid like what I say I paid for this car, like $40 or something like that. I can't remember. Y'all can go back and look at the video. You know, I have to put the link for when I first bought this car. It was like something like that. It was cheap. It was well under $100. So you know, you can't complain. The car's damn near, it was damn near free. So I never looked underneath. So when I look underneath this time, or when I look underneath finally, after having the car for a year, like literally, you guys, yes, I never looked underneath the car, because I didn't think, you know, anything would be really rough under there. But I obviously was kind of figuring with the way the door was looking on the passenger side and the other rust on it. But there was, it looks like somebody stuck something like a bracket underneath the car to try to hold up, you know, a part of the frame of the car so it wouldn't fall through because it was rusted out so bad. So that's weird right there. But I didn't, you know, I didn't look under there. I didn't get to finish the project, and I don't like not finishing anything. But we're gonna look for another one. They're hard to find. Like in my area, I cannot find them, so I gotta look out further. But I have not been able to find one. I found a 4-door one, but I don't want the 4-door one. I want the coupe. Well, actually, you know what? No, hold on. Actually, I did find a coupe, but the guy, he's asking 65. Well, he said 65,000 or something like that. I'm like, wow. Like, the car is a great car, but it's not worth 65,000. Like, there's no way in hell I'll pay 65,000. His was an 88. That's just insane. I'm not paying 65,000 for a 1988 Nissan Sentra. Just not gonna happen. So I'm still looking in hopes to find one that's actually already, you know, driving and everything. So that's what I'm looking for. And in the search, also I want to get another car, something classic. I want something old, honestly. I want something old. The Monte Carlo, I would love to have that, but the prices on those, I just cannot do that right now. So y'all, we're trying to find something. I've been looking, so I need to put out more videos. You guys, it's been hard here lately for me because I've been working hard at my business. You know what I mean? You can't stop or your business will fail. You know what I mean? You got to promote your business and everything. So I'm gonna try my best to do more videos, be more consistent with it, do my best, even if I have to do vlog style videos, you know what I mean, just talking to y'all. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk y'all's ear off. So as y'all see, the Sentra is gone. I got a couple dollars back. I would say I made my money back on it, plus a couple dollars. So, you know, as far as because I bought a battery for the car, and then I bought a valve cover gasket for it, and I also bought an air filter. Wasn't really much because I used coupons and stuff, the promo ones online. Woo, something stinks outside from Advanced Auto. So hoping to get something in the next couple weeks, and I gotta give y'all like a little update on the 괱ᴏᴏ. The people, look, they were like pulling up like they scared to be next to me. So I don't know, you guys, I just feel so sad that the Sentra's gone. But hey, you know, it is what it is. I had to leave. It was time. So it's just got, you know, move on. And if anybody sees any for a good price, you know, leave me a comment. Let me know something. You know what I mean? I'm cool. If any like 89 and older Nissan Sentra, let me know. It'd be even nice to find a poster or something like that, but those are super rare, at least in my area, and people want an arm and a leg for them. But yeah, you guys, hopefully we'll find something. Even if I can't find a Sentra, right away, but we're still gonna look for something, and then hope that, you know, we find a Sentra soon. So I'm gonna holler at you guys. I'll do another video, probably talk about the part 2, maybe talk about the Sentra, and then what's going on with the 괱ᴏᴏ. I do still have it, so maybe we'll talk about that. As y'all see the last video, you know, I still have it as of, well, still have it as of right now. And there's a story on that too, so I'll be letting y'all know that. So like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I did not forget about the giveaway, so working on that. That's gonna be soon. In the next, that video will probably be coming out within like the next week. So if you are interested in being a part of the giveaway, leave a comment, watch some of my videos, and subscribe. And that's how I know you know, there's people who I can get in this drawing. I needed people to leave comments, so I have people to give something away to. If there's nobody commenting, I can't give anything away and have you in this drawing. So yeah, leave a comment and subscribe, and let me know you watch some of my videos. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.